and circle somewhere else. Shook the best when your love was on, storing up on your summer glow. You went your ship is coming in. Your tears are sea for me to swim.
No, my mind literally gets so rejuvenated watching vlogs that are from different countries, and I so very wish to travel to different countries, meet new people, manifesting hard.
You showed up quiet like sunrise does. No sudden light, just soft, because you knew I'd been living in weather that never gave much room for calm. You laughed like wind in through cotton sheets and talked the way a willow leans. I didn't know what rest could mean till you held my name like a prayer. You feel like Sunday, slow and wide, bare feet on hardwood, arms open wide. Coffee steaming, window light, a break in the storm, a breath in the fight. No need to run, no need to hide. You feel like Sunday in my life.
You don't fix the cracks, you plant in them. You never rush what's still growing, and somehow love feels like